Hello. Today I'm looking for some people who help me with a campaign, with an online course. I want to bring all my knowledge to an online course. So you will learn about chakras, you will learn about nadis, you will learn about sexuality, you'll learn about prana flow massage, which I am teaching already since a few years, and you learn about a new ritual, the improved Maituna ritual combined with a massage. So this was it in short. There's already a webinar online on my webpage, which you will find down in the text, and you can already register there, and you can see it for free. And now I have to make like a full course out of it, and I need a partner, a female partner, to make these videos, and maybe a couple for special ritual which I want to show. You will be naked in front of the camera. Maybe we can make your faces unrecognizable, so the camera can go down, so you can only see the bodies, and we can use some filters while producing the video. This all is possible, or you show yourself as you are. It's also possible. It's up to you. You can also wear clothes, like I think white clothes, like white leggings and white shirt, which is very tight to the body. It also looks nice, and it will not offend people watching these videos. So this is one thing I need. Then I need some money to make advertisements, so that I can spread the word, so that there's an online course at all. And yeah, I need investors. I need investors. Maybe I have to pay for someone for making these videos, and I have to pay the cameraman. I have to pay the actors if I don't find someone who's doing this for free, and I have to make advertisements so that this comes to roll. Because I'm not working since 11 years. I was working for the Banksters in Zurich 11 years ago. Then I start to live my life, and now then after this I learned tantric massage, sexological bodywork, and so on and so forth. I've got more than 48 years experience in sexuality, really. I started very early. And I've got something to give. For example, maybe you don't know that men can have also like full body orgasms without ejaculations. Very important. I get to know this when I was 48, and I want to spread this idea to every man outside. And I also was into erectile problems, which I covered, and in one thing also talking about de-armoring a yoni, which is the vagina of the woman, and so on and so forth. So all my knowledge, all my experience, I put into this workshop. Also, slow sex will be a thing, and for all of this, I need to produce it, and I need some money for this. You can get pledges. I don't know which site. You can choose a pledge where you get like you can book a treatment and you get it for less money. Or you can also choose one of my books as a pledge. And yeah, I don't know what to put. You will see later what things are able to get, and this would really help me. I would really enjoy if you help me with this, and you get something in exchange, like this knowledge. Also, you get the online course you get for free. Um, yeah, this said, help me book something, and then this course can go out and will help many people to get rid of all these porn addictions and bad sexuality. Also, one thing is, this is very important, I wanted this when I was young. After this course, you got some knowledge and you want someone to practice, and if you're not in a relationship, you will find others also made this course, and I will connect you, or you can connect on your own, but therefore I will have a platform where you can all connect, and then maybe you find your next partner. That said, I wish you a nice day, and namaste.